Hi all, let's see Hashtable in C Sharp. Hashtable is a non-generic collection that stores keys and value pairs. When items are added to the hash table, a hash code for each key generated internally. When accessing the value from hash table, it matches the hash code of the specified key and retrieve it. When creating a hash table, you should remember that keys must be unique and cannot be null. Values can be null or duplicate. Let's see how to create and access. Here created a console application. By using hash table class, we can create an hash table. Let's create an object for hash table class. Hash table, then providing object name. Created object. By using this object, we can add values to it. Object name dot. By using add method, we can add values. The first element is key. Provide any key. The second element is value. Like this, we can add more values. Let's add two more values. We can access values from hash table by passing key in the indexer like this. Let's access console.writeline. Then object inside the square bracket, pass the key. Let's execute and check. The value associated with the key 1 is retrieved here. We can also use for each to iterate values from hash table like this. Here, dictionary entry point is a structure used to iterate elements in hash table. Let's execute and check. Here the result. Here, items in the collection are sorted according to the hidden hash code so that items are printed randomly here. We can also update values in hash table like object inside the square bracket, provide the key is equal to value. If you want to check before updating whether the keys exist or not, you can also use contains key method like this. This contains key method checks whether the key 4 exists in this country or not. If it exists, it will update, otherwise it's leave. Let's execute. Here the result. We can also remove values from hash table using the remove method like this. This remove method will remove the value associated with the key 3, and using clear method we can also clear all the elements from the hash table. We can also add dictionary elements into the hash table directly. Let's create a dictionary. We created a dictionary. Let's uncomment this. Inside the parenthesis, provide the dictionary object. Now this will include all the elements from the dictionary. Let's execute and check. Here the result. Let's remove this and uncomment this. Here in this dictionary, we should provide key must be integer and the value must be string. If I try to provide the key as a string, it will show an error message. But in hash table, we can provide key as any type. We can also provide here key as string, the value as integer. So dictionary is a generic collection and hash table is a non-generic collection. But both collection key must be unique and cannot be null. But value can be null or duplicate. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.